Many of you have been asking me the secret of my lush, green, and healthy money plants growing on stairs, and I keep them indoors round the year. So, today I will share a few tips to grow them healthy indoors. Let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
So, few varieties of money plants are growing downwards from the second floor but completely indoors on stairs permanently, and they are in soil in pots. There are few varieties of neon money plant, marble pothos, and the green variety. So, mixture of all the varieties of money plants, and as you can see, they are growing super healthy and they look like a curtain, right? So, as and when they grow big, I keep trimming them and grow the cuttings in other pots. And I keep them outdoors, and when they are big enough, I keep the pot on stairs, and this is how they look so dense and green. So, let's discuss the magic tips to keep them healthy indoors permanently. The first and very important tip is they should get indirect or filtered sunlight and fresh air both. Like I have kept mine near the terrace door through which they get fresh air and indirect sunlight all day. Second tip is money plants love lots of moisture in soil. So water your money plant frequently and make sure the soil remains moist always, but not soggy also. And keep a tray under the pot so that excess water can drain off and not spill on stairs. Adding a layer of mulch during summers can help retaining moisture in the soil for longer. You can use sphagnum moss or dried leaves as a mulch, and this way you won't have to water your plants frequently during summers. It's very effective. Also remember, in winters you have to remove the layer of mulch, and tilling up the soil on weekly basis is recommended for plants better growth. With wind and regular dusting and cleaning routine, leaves accumulate lots of dirt and dust on it, right? So, cleaning up the leaves gently using a sponge wipe makes them look clean and shiny. You can do this once in 10 to 15 days to remove all the dirt and dust from leaves. Also, make sure to remove all the yellow and dried leaves occasionally to make your plant look healthy and clean. Fifth and last tip is fertilizing them well. We all know that potted plants need extra nutrition to grow well, right? So, fertilizing your money plants twice a year with good compost will do wonders. Remember, always fertilize your plants during its growth period, which is the spring season or early summer, you can say, and monsoon. Make sure you don't fertilize them in winters as they go dormant in winters, which means their growth will slow down gradually. So just follow these 5 tips to keep your money plants shiny and healthy and grow them indoors round the year. That's all for today. See you soon.